Hey guys, if you want to learn how to make tags for your pins, your jewelry, your bracelets, your earrings, I got you. So today's lesson is we're going to make tags for I put together a little show and tell. So with this one here, you see I made this tag and I put it on a bracelet. Say for instance, if you make bracelets, it's so easy to make your own tags. The question I have is, why would you pay for something that literally is so easy to make? And I'm going to bring to you today a way to make your own tags at half the price of purchasing them. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you just about some of the things you're going to need. Now with these tags here, you can personalize it and put handmade by Janet or handmade by Rosalind or whatever you want. Or you can put your logo on it. It's just that simple. I did that. I put my logo. This is my one of my logos here, and I did put it on. Let me see if we can put it on this one here, just for show and tell. We have a square one. Okay, just for show and tell. This is what I did. So I just stuck it right in the middle there, and I put my logo there. You can do that, or you can hand write whatever it is that you want to put on your tags. But isn't this a cute and great idea? Okay, so let's save some money. Okay, so let's do that right now. So the first thing you're going to need is some cardstock. Now I chose this cardstock I got from Michael's that was on clearance. It was $19.99. I paid $4 for it, which was absolutely beautiful because it's pretty thick. So the first thing I did was, I already know that I wanted my tags a certain size, and this is the cut that I went with right here. So I don't have a measurement. Let me see. The width of that would be. I'm going to try to use this one here. So this one here is about 2 inches. So I went with 2 inches by the whole length of, so it should be 12. Yeah. So this is 2 by 12. This is what this is. 2 or 3 tags, or maybe even 4. You can definitely probably get 4 of them out there. So we're going to put this. So what I did is I started out with that. I cut them down to 2 by 12, right? I'm going to show you the next step. Let me get my scissors. And so the next thing I did was I took my 2 by 12 and I cut it down into the size that I want. And this should be a 2 by, what is this? 2 by 3.5. I'm going to cut it down just like this. And I'm going to keep going. So I'm going to definitely going to get three of these out of here. And have a little bit leftover scrap. And you can do whatever you want with that scrap. We're going to try another project with the scrap that's left over. So I'm going to have about this much scrap left over, which is cool. Messed that cut up, but hey. Okay, so now that we have this cut, you see that? So this is a 2 by 3.5. Let's go. So we're going to save that scrap. So the next thing I did is I did a fold. So my fold is, I did it just like this. I just folded in half. Right? This is the start of your tags, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Why not? And I took the corners and I just clipped them off and it made them round. Hope you can see that. So my corners are now, it was square, now they're round. That give it a little bit, a little bit more detail. But if you don't have one of these, it's not a big deal. You can leave them square. I have seen them in the store square. So now, if you want to use it for bracelets, remember you're gonna have to do it this way. You see this fold here? You're gonna have to do it that way because we want our bracelet to have something to lean on, right? Just like that. And then we're going to take the double-sided tape We're going to take double-sided tape, and this is how we're going to seal it. See that? That's a double-sided tape. I'm going to get a real bracelet, so hold on 1 minute. So we have our bracelet. So now we're going to take our bracelet and just put it in the middle. We could do it this way. Let's put it this way. And now we're just going to seal it, just like this here. Now, if you don't want the bracelet to move, what I would suggest is you put a piece of double-sided tape here just to make sure it's locked in. Okay, so I wanted to bring you back inside to show you guys. Do you see the double-sided tape, one on the top and one on the bottom? I'm going to show you why I did that, and this is why. I want my chain to go inside, but I don't want it moving around when someone pick it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to seal it. This first one right here, I'm going to seal it right there. So there we go. Just like that. And I'm going to push it in just like this, and it is not going to move anymore. And so this is how this will look hanging from wherever that you have. If you have one of those things that you hang your jewelry, your beads, or your earrings and stuff like that, that display, then this is absolutely perfect for you. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make my holes so it can look like this. So we started with this here, right? And now we wanted to have something that the display can hold on to. So this is where I came up with. We use this hole puncher to make just a couple of holes, and that's how it's going to hang from your display. So let's do that right now. I'm going to take it about right here. Right here. Now, some of the times mine is not even, and it's okay. You can go back and try to straighten it up, or you can just leave it as is. Because it don't have to be perfect when it's hanging from the display. You just got to make it look a little decent, right? Just like this. And you have your slot where it can hang now, which is absolutely cool, guys. So we made our own tag. Now we don't have to go out and buy these. I was looking online. They weren't expensive, but the shipping is what got you. You can get 100 of these for maybe $7 or $8, but the shipping is something like $14.99. It's absolutely crazy. So I decided, you know what, I'm not paying that. So I just came up with a way to make my own tags. Now, I want to show you. I do a lot of pen making. I love making pens, and this is one of the pens that I made. Again, I put my own logo here, which you can do also. You don't even have to print it out or anything like that. You can write it out. You got a Cricut machine, use that. Make your own logo, whatever the case may be. But these are some plastic bags that I got from Amazon. You get maybe 100 of these. They are 2 by 12. So they're very long bags. So what I do is I cut them in half and I double side tape them together. And this is how I get this look. Now I'm going to swing you around so you can see what the look is going to look like when you hang it. And which is absolutely beautiful, guys. Oh, you can see that right there. That's how you're going to hang yours on the display. Just like this. This is absolutely beautiful. It's cool. People can pick them up, examine what's inside of them, move them around, turn them around. And yeah, why not? Why spend a lot of money when we don't have to? And this is what we're going to do from now on. If we can make it, we're not buying anything anymore. It's so simple to make. So guys, make it. And again, my name is Rosa. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I would appreciate you guys giving me one of those thumbs up.